As I said, there's a bunch of short pieces. This next piece is called The Men at the Construction Site. We've all seen them walking by and you get these thoughts, so this is about that. That scientists did an experiment where a woman first walked past a construction site with her head down. No one bothered her. No one noticed her. Everyone at the site left her alone. Then, later in the day, she walked past again in the same outfit with the same stride, but this time she walked with her head up more confidently. And that's when she got the calls, the whistles from the men at the construction site. And you tell me it's not deliberate, and you tell me it's not an effort to keep women in their place. Thanks. This one does not have music for it, which is why